How to use Personal Hotspot on iPhone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can use Personal Hotspot on iPhone. The first thing you want to do is launch open settings on your device. Now you will find the option of Personal Hotspot. Go ahead and tap on that. If you don't find it here, tap on the cellular option, then tap on Personal Hotspot. Now toggle on the option of allow others to join. Make a note of the Wi-Fi password shown below. Next, on the other device, you want to open the Wi-Fi settings. Now find your iPhone's network name and tap on that. Here enter the password. It will connect and use your cellular data. You can also link via Bluetooth by pairing the devices or plug your iPhone into a computer with a lightning cable. Keep an eye on your data use in settings under cellular data. Hotspot connections consume your plan's data. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.